Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if my screen is kind of bent or the video is kind of bent or tilt, my ring light is broken, so I'm just using this until the new one arrives. Okay, so guys, I usually if this is your first time here on my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And if you are my regular subscriber, you've subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for the support, and I love you guys. So I usually would show you like the beginning, my hair, you know, how I prep the hair, how I start, you know, the first braid, the second braid. But this time around, I was like, I just wanted to do this really quickly and get it out of the way. But I am just in love with this outcome, and I was like, I have to share it with you guys. So I'm just gonna take a spin and show you guys what it looks like at the back. So guys, I am so excited. So guys, I'm just gonna start with how many packs of hair I used, what kind of hair I used, how long it's been already, because I only have this chunk left. And I don't know, because people ask how many locks. When it comes to locks, how many locks do you have? I do not count. I'm not about to count. I'm just going to go with the flow of my head. I have really full hair, so I'm just parting because I want it really small, and I've been dying to do this style on someone, but most people just see it as extra small and are like, oh no, it's too small, or it's gonna take a long time, but guys, it's full, it's giving, and also it's really lightweight, and I just love it. So for this color I have on my hair, I have color 27, I have T27. That's an ombre 1B and 27. I have T burgundy, and I have T 350, and I also have T30 as well. So I have almost 4 to 5 colors here. I didn't plan for this color mix, actually. It was just like leftovers from my client. So I was like, okay, today's my day off. I'm just gonna put everything together and, you know, just get myself right, because it's gonna be a new month soon, and I'm gonna be really busy, so I need to get myself fixed before we get into, you know. So guys, I used the expression, one second guys. So I used the expression spring twist. It looks like this, and this is 16 inches, but as you guys see, it's not short and it's not long. So I'm still gonna layer it, because when it's layered, I feel it gives it more like body, and it gives it more, you know. So this is long. I'm gonna just cut this one now that I've seen it, you know. And the good thing about spring twist is you can cut it and it's not gonna unravel. In my own case, it doesn't unravel. I cut my client's spring twist, you know, and it doesn't unravel. So guys, 16 inches. This might be shorter because I trimmed it, because I don't want it to be too long. I wanted to give that, you know, full, you know. So guys, yeah, that's really it. So I don't know if you have seen my video about twist. Like I would try to link it in the cards above. In my opinion, when you're doing like passion twist or spring twist, there are 2 types of ways you can twist for like 2 different look. So when you twist to the left, it's given loose, and when you twist to the right, it's given curly and bouncy. I mean, depends on the kind of hair you're using again, but you would see that when I twist to the right using this hair, it just gives the bouncy look. But when I twist to the left this way, I don't know. But when I twist this way, it gives more of a straight looking twist. But when I twist the other way, it just gives like it brings out the bounciness. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. And this is about, I'd say 7 hours in, with like a lot of breaks too. So yeah, I think we're doing pretty good. So guys, see, I'm twisting it this way. But when you twist the other way, it gives you a different type of look. So you can try it out and see. I look really crazy, but please pardon me, guys. I wasn't prepared for a video. It's not like I'm always prepared for a video, but yeah. Then I'm also using my Shine and Jam too, just to, you know, put my hair in place and make sure everything is tucked nicely. Honestly, I know I use like a total of 3 packs, but it's like each pack come 3 in 1. So I think, cause I don't know how many packs individually I used. Like for the 27, I think I have like only 5 strands in my hair. Because that one is actually for a client, so I just took out of, you know, the client's hair. And yeah, but the other colors, I just had them laying around and I just picked them up. So as you can see, guys, like I said, it's 16 inches. So if I twist it to the end, it's gonna be this long, like down to my boob, or like below my boob still. But I just wanted to, you know, be on the, so I'm just gonna cut that later. Guys, take a look at these. Like, guys, I am so shocked by how full this thing is. Jesus Christ. Like, who is this girl? Like, this guy. Wow. And it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. It's not heavy. it's good. I don't know, I just cannot wait to rock this style. Like, oh my god. Let me see. Oh, it's not too much. Oh my god, guys, I am so amazed. How? Oh my god. So I know some people might be concerned, how will you sleep at night? Honestly, it's not heavy at all. Spring Twist is the lightest hairdo you can ever have, honestly. And so I don't know where my mom got this from. I think it's AliExpress or somewhere, but this is like a two-way bonnet, but I like this Ankara print. So you can either just use the satin one or this, but I mean, you know. So this is how I'm gonna be sleeping. Just take it back and you're good, because it's really light. It doesn't hurt, you know.